Hi everyone, Natasha and
Luna here.
Luna here. Okay, and welcome back.
It's a windy day.
It's a windy day around our home. We are in the dining room today, and it's finally time to do some more decluttering, organizing, and cleaning in our D.O.C series. So Luna, sometimes known as Adelina, is going to help me by shaking up our papers to see
and cleaning out stuff.
And helping me clean out. So we're up to episode number 10. So I'm not going to go through reading our whole long list now, but I will be linking it in the description down below and just quickly jotting those down there. So if you want to see the whole series, you can find the playlist down there and check them out. So we're trying to limit these to just 15-minute increments for decluttering, organizing, and cleaning. And as I've been mentioning, this is all part of a series that we're joining along with Sophia from My Great Challenge to do some decluttering as well. All right, let's see where we're gonna go today. So if you're gonna join us, Luna is gonna pick the area we're gonna go to, and we're gonna spend about 15 minutes decluttering, organizing, and cleaning. Okay. Picking a really good one, huh?
I picked a fat one.
Okay, let's see what it is. You want to try and read any of it? No? Can't read any of it?
I can tell you the letters.
Yeah, what does that sound? Cut.
This
And, okay. We've been doing lots of school work.
Kitchen.
So it's the kitchen microwave lower cabinet. So if you've seen any of my kitchen and decluttering videos before, I do have a little, I think it's a homemade cabinet my husband found, I don't know, off of Facebook Marketplace or something, or it might have even been Craigslist because it was a few years ago. And
if you don't know, Craig, he's my grandpa and my mom's dad.
That's right. So this cabinet, we're gonna head over there to the kitchen. Basically the lower half is kind of our place to house extra towels and dishcloths, bottled water.
Not organized.
It's not organized.
The drawers don't have that much, so somebody needs to. And also that Georgia doesn't have that much. It has boxes all over the place and they're not organized.
So we need to do some organizing, that's right. And I also keep my candles down there. So, okay, let's head to the kitchen and we'll see you there.
Okay, goodbye.
Okay, so we were just in the dining room, which is right through there. You can see we have our chalkboard set up because of course we're still doing some homeschooling. And as you come through, there's the refrigerator, and then this is the cabinet we were talking about. So this is where we have our microwave kind of tucked back in the corner. And down here on the bottom is where we need to do some cleaning out. So we're gonna just work on this lower portion down here. So let's get started cleaning this cabinet out. Luna's gonna help me. So
my mom's so confused about my name.
I know, I'm so confused. So let's start with the very top, Luna. Let's get the things off of this top shelf. So we have a bottle of wine, which can stay, that's just fine. Tissues, why don't we set the tissues down for just right now so that we can find things.
These two things were from Easter.
Okay, so why don't you find a place to put those? Because in the kitchen's probably not the best spot for those.
I'll put them on a plate for right now.
Okay, is the plate going to be the catch-all where we're putting stuff? So we can do that. We can make a stack of your stuff that we just need to put away. Okay, so this is going to be Adelina's stuff that we need to find, some vitamins, which I do normally keep the vitamins there just because that's the best place for her to be able to reach them and take them. So I think we'll probably continue to keep them there.
Tape.
Good idea. Why don't you throw that away real fast, and I'll let her see what's in the very back because it's pretty far back there. Can you see what is in the very back? Okay, a pencil or a pen, some paper. Oh gosh, I think that was a decoration. What else do we have? A crayon. And what?
A little door from a farm in there.
I think that's actually from
No, it has
jewelry. That's like a clasp from an old bracelet or something, but I don't know where we got it. I don't know. Okay.
It looks like a
It's probably
farm door from.
yeah, it does kind of look like that. It was probably in your play stuff, which is fine. Anything else back there?
Yep, there's still a lot more.
A lot more. Oh my. Good thing we're cleaning it out. Okay, those are some Christmas decorations. We have a little bit of every holiday tucked back in there, don't we?
I picked it at.
Oh, guess who's here? Okay, we had a brief intermission because Daddy just got home from work a little bit early, so we got to say hi to him, and he brought us some lunch. And Adelina, in the meantime, found her unicorn headband tucked back in there that we had made a while back. And this was something that came in her little lunch today.
We got to make it. Well, Mom got to make it. So we had all the fun.
Well, you and Daddy started it, and then I helped you finish it, didn't I?
So we both played with it.
Yeah. All right, so we were clearing out. We have this whole little plate of stuff we cleared out from there. Is there anything else in that cabinet now?
Nope.
Okay,
Oh,
okay.
wait.
Something
There's
else
some
back
trash.
there? Oh, trash. Okay.
Trash again.
Oh, yep, and I grabbed a little trash bag just so we'd have that. Can you grab that washcloth that's on the counter? I just got it out and we can wipe that
Yeah,
all out and get all the dust out. Yeah. Thank you. What a great helper you are.
Oh, I like organizing
You like organizing, yeah?
and cleaning.
I know, we do good work together, don't we? Can you reach it? Is there something else back there, it sounds like?
Oh, that's just cardboard.
Cardboard? Can you get that out too?
It
Oh.
blended in.
It blended in because it was really dark. I think that was part of an old project. Okay, now, what do we need to put back up here?
Well,
Is there
vitamins.
anything? Vitamins? I think that's probably the only thing
Oh,
that really
don't
is
forget
supposed to. Oh,
tissues.
and tissues.
Let me just put it like that. Would that work?
Yeah, if it's just sitting flat in there like that.
And I'm
that
gonna
should
put my
work.
little family here.
Okay, we're gonna put your family there. That's kind of how we end up with a collection there, is that all of the families and toys end up there. But I think the rest of this, some of it is just trash and things like the baby bottle needs to go with your toys, the pen and pencil can go where the pen and pencils go, and the crayons can go with your crayons. So we will dispose of that. We also found a coloring page from the holidays, which I don't think we need anymore.
Nope.
Nope. Okay, so we move on to the lower half now, right?
Yep, let's open this one.
Okay, let's open
Oh,
it up.
I organized one. That definitely
That one needs some work, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So normally we keep this middle drawer of our fridge right here as kind of our drinks drawer, and so we keep some bottled water in there and Gatorade and stuff like that, mostly just for when we have company. So we usually keep extra bottled water in here. Looks like we're empty, so that is normally for the bottled water. And then I have this old tub that is just housing dishcloths that won't quite fit because we currently don't have a very big system to store dishcloths. Now, at some point, I think once Adelina has outgrown having to have the plastic dishware, which we're getting pretty close to that, but the drawer where her stuff is all organized, which you saw in the last video or the video before that, that could be a much better place to store all of my dishcloths. But once we had Adelina, that sort of got set aside, and we've just been making do. So for right now, these are my extra dishcloths. Some of these are the kind of rougher ones that we use for like spills on the floor and whatnot. Well, you're getting it all organized even without me, huh? Okay.
Is that his?
Yeah, that's great. So you got that way back in there, and then our extra cereal sits right there.
I think that would be.
Did we need to dust it or wipe it out, or is it pretty good?
We forgot to dust on
Just right in there in the bottom, maybe? Okay.
It's not super dusty.
We might try and show you what the inside of that cabinet looks like in a bit, but it'll take some camera work, so. All right, so, oops.
Oh.
And that was the lid. I think that was just underneath. Probably don't really need
Oh,
it.
yeah,
but-
so that.
Yeah,
These look like little bunnies.
I know. They were some
So
desserts
good.
somebody brought to a party, and I thought that little container looks like a good place to store things. So, sorry, my camera's having trouble adjusting back and forth. So, all right, you ready to move on? Got this clean? You
No.
can you just slide it underneath that container for me?
Well, I don't want that sand on the wood.
So this is to hold our washcloth. That's a fair idea. Yeah, good idea. So normally we keep our extra tissues here, but Aldi has had the limitation of only 1 box per customer for quite a while now, so we don't have a stockpile of tissues like we used to do. These are some of our CDs that we just listen to periodically for something different, so I'm fine keeping those in there. It's not that big of a collection. And then candles. So let's take a look. If there's any that are kind of used up, we can probably put those either in the recycling or...
None of them are really used up.
No, so far none of them are used up, and I do like keeping a few on hand for when we have power outages, which doesn't happen super often, but we've had them lately especially. So this one is a broken candle.
I don't think we should use
I think
that.
that could be used. Yeah, I think that could be used as a fire starter in either a bonfire outside or a fire in our wood stove in the basement.
Done.
That one is done. So
But
that's
we can still use it for no candle oils or stuff.
true. But we'll set it aside. I don't know that we need to keep it in there for right now.
Hey, this actually looks cool.
Yeah.
I think we should keep this.
That would be another one we could use in an emergency for some light if we needed it.
Yeah, because I might be bumping into things.
I've got the hot glue gun, which just sits in there.
I'm gonna get some candles out.
Whoopsie.
Well, at least
That candle's done, so that's another one we could get rid of. Is this candle done?
No, it's not done at all. It's full.
Not done at all. It's plenty full. Okay.
We haven't
That one smells like coffee. So what's in the very back of this top cabinet? Oh, this is another
I'm
candle.
just getting the candles out right now.
I don't know. I'm not sure if this is my favorite scent. Do you like that scent?
I like the outside smelling. I feel like we could use the drawer for something.
Yeah, we could, but it's not really, I don't know. That's kind of a maybe because it's not my favorite scent. So what's
I
way
kind
back
of like one.
Okay.
Wait, I
what's-
got another candle.
Oh, and another little tea light candle. Okay.
And there's some way more.
So this is
turn
instructions
this out.
for our new microwave. These are more tea light candles.
I don't know what
Oh,
that is.
that's our binoculars. I was kind of wondering what happened to those.
Oh,
Looks
now,
like we could find a better spot for those, but I don't
now
know where.
I think we should keep these.
Yeah, we'll keep those. Those are more tea light candles.
And the rainbow too.
And they're rainbow.
Yeah, it looks beautiful.
That would look beautiful. Okay.
Or we could just have something else on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
So this was just an old cake pan that the nonstick was coming off, so I'm using it like a little drawer in there. And what else is way back there? Also, this was one I had cleaned out, but have yet to find a purpose for, so
Taking my headband
might
off.
be time to donate that. You can take your headband off, sure. That's our unicorn headband.
Oh,
Okay.
these candles
These
feel,
are more,
and they feel bumpy.
yeah, these are more just plain old tea light candles, which are kind of handy to have around, again, in case of emergency or for parties.
Now
That bag
really
is just a wine bag from a winery, but we
But
don't
it's
need.
super cute.
You can have it. We don't need to keep it in there.
It's super cute.
Super cute because it's little, huh? And it's just for 2 bottles of wine, like that. Yep.
Cute.
Okay. All right. What else is back there?
This may consider something else back.
Yeah. Well, you're getting all the way back in the cabinet. You're doing a good job.
I'm gonna get flashlight to see that deal.
I think the only thing left in the very back is information from one of our Bluetooth speakers, I think. Oh, good, you found the flashlight.
Nothing.
Nothing back there. All right, well, let's do a quick wipe so we can get the... I guess we could ask Daddy if he still wants that.
What even is this?
Well, it's just the container that the Bluetooth speaker came in. I don't really think we need to keep it, so we could take that out. Oh, and then this came from the tablet that we're borrowing. This was actually my dad's, so I kind of need to keep that because I want to make sure we give it all back to him. He got it thinking he would use it for work, and then it didn't work out, so I don't know. At some point, we'll give it back to him. But okay, so did we wipe it out?
Oh. No, we gotta take these small things out.
Oh, no, leave those in there. They're kind of stuck down. That's like a drawer liner. But here, you can wipe it out.
That's cool.
Can you wipe it for me?
So you could like trick somebody. Somebody's looking down there. You could say, I'm just looking for something out here, and then drop something down there, and they would be like,
oh, they wouldn't even know that you dropped it, huh? Okay.
Because you could just scoop this drawer out of it.
True. Got it? Good job. All the way back in there. It's a tiny, narrow space. Oh my goodness, you're getting farther back than I could probably get. Thank you. Phew. All right.
Oh, wait. That's like powdered sugar or candle dust.
Candle dust or powdered sugar dust. Okay.
I don't know what that is.
All right, so let's figure out what we're gonna put back in here. I think for now, let's slide that back because we.
The other stuff in there on the back first.
And then.
Otherwise.
All right, we got that, and and we still need to find. Let's put our hot glue gun in first. Is that better? Okay, and then these are the directions for the microwave, which we can just stick back in there. Okay, so is that everything?
Oh.
Binoculars?
Oh.
I don't know where else to put the binoculars.
I want to try using the black
Okay.
binoculars.
Well, let's finish up our video and then we can go see
What
what
was
we
that
can see.
for?
That's to clean the lenses. Okay, guys, I think we're gonna call it good there. So we have 3 empty candles that we're gonna get rid of. I don't think these recycle, but I'll double check. This one I think I could probably donate. Maybe Goodwill will take that when they're back collecting stuff. We have a little collection of things we just need to either pitch or relocate. And this, of course, is yet to be seen.
This is too woolly, so I'm gonna do something.
And we're gonna work on our binoculars. So that is our little declutter, organize, and clean
I can't see it.
project.
Your face looks so far away. And
Can
so
you tell our
small.
friends goodbye? For today.
Goodbye.
So we will see you next time. Hopefully you were able to get some decluttering, organizing,
If you
and
look
cleaning
through here,
done.
It looks like a telescope.
Oh, that's true at your place. And don't forget to subscribe.
Oh, and look.
Okay, I don't know that works. And hit the like button down below, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
That's funny.